Here I have an idea of some kick and bass and some percussion, and we're gonna dive into sound design that we can use here. First of all, let's listen to our context. It's very simple. So in order to get here, I just put up this small sequence so that we could have some ground to move on. So let's see. So I'm gonna use an instance of Arturia pigments. I will initiate the patch. Set it into analog so that I have 3 oscillators, although I'm going to use oscillator 2 and oscillator 3 because I don't have fine tuning of the pitch, which is what I aim to modulate. So I'm going to drag down the volume of oscillator 1. All right, we have a sawtooth wave. Let me drag this down. Okay, the principle is to modulate the pitch in a constant way so it gets hypnotic. I'm going to use an LFO in the fine tuning, just slightly off pitch, up and down, just a tiny bit. LFO 2, for example, just like so, a bit more slow, 2 to 1. That's more like it. And now I will put up the symmetry for it to be more organic, but I think I'm gonna put the same LFO modulating itself. Yeah. But when I start, it starts on neutral position, and if the brain is gonna get used to the higher and lower pitches, I want to start already up or already down. So I'm gonna tweak the phase of the LFO so that when it starts, it's already up. When it starts, because I'm having the keyboard or the MIDI note to trigger the start of the LFO. So that's what we want. Now we can add a second voice. Second voice. Okay. Let's make it square. Let's make both square. This one's gonna get lower than the other. And it's gonna get higher in pitch by 1 octave. So they are tuned, and we'll have the same modulation in the fine tuning of the pitch so that they are working together. Okay. All right. And now, because we want this to be in the back of the mix, we just add in a little reverb. We are aiming something to be on the back, so we need some amount of reverb. and filter. We need to filter this, and I'm gonna set up a bandpass filter. Better this way, yeah. So even though I like the coloration, maybe in context, let's find out. Maybe we need to take off those nasty low frequencies. Let us see. Maybe I need a MIDI note here, yeah. Okay, now we have with kick and bass. Yeah, it's already on the back. Let's take the nasty low end with the second filter. Let's find out which frequencies should go out. So first of all, I'm gonna set a high pass, bring the cutoff frequency all the way down, listen in context with the kick and bass.